Generals Danao and Coy, do you confirm what the President said? Na kung involved ang police ninyo sa krimen, siya mismo ang pinapatay daw niya. So ano, do you confirm such a statement?
Alam nila yan.
As far as I'm concerned, sir, when I was under the Davao City Police Office, hindi naman siguro sir yung pinapatay.
Sige, tell us.
As far as I know, sir, wala man pinatay po si Mayor talaga.
What do you do? What do you do to the policemen involved in crime?
Policeman is involved in crime, sir.
That
Yes,
is
okay.
the scenario. Oh.
Sir, nung panahon ko, when I was the city director, there was one policeman who was discharged for illegal drugs. And unfortunately, hindi ko na lang po i-mention yung pangalan kung sino yung congressman na nilapitan at na-reinstate po sa serbisyo, in short. Okay, he was already discharged from illegal drugs. Wala pang 1 year, sir. Walang ginawa kundi magmaoy, mamaril, at binabaril niya, sir, yung kanyang misis, binabattle indok niya yan. Okay? So, in short, sir, yung taong yun, kinausap ko. Kasi sabi ko, kababalik mo lang, baka pwede namang maglaylo ka. Okay? So, ang nangyari, sir, naglaylo siguro ng 3 linggo. Ganon uli, sir. So, binaril na ng binaril yung misis niya. And accordingly, sabi mismo ng misis niya, sir, kaya po laging nagwawala na naman itong mister ko dahil bumalik uli sa droga. So, in short, sir, pinatay namin. Ganon lang, sir.
Anong circumstances? Meaning, pinatay ninyo, paano?
Sir, lumaban, sir, Police, may sariling baril, sir. Binabaril nga niya yung misis niya, kami pa.
Napatay nyo sa bahay niya?
Yes, sir.
Nag-operation
Inoperate namin
kayo?
talaga, sir. Yes, sir. Inoperate namin, sir. Nakalimutan ko lang yung apelyido. Pero that was when I was the city director. I think it was 2014.
Anong month po?
I am familiar.